How are you feeling? Good.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge. You gotta take inside your brain. It's a son, I've learned a lot out of reading people's faces. No matter how them I go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.
I am going to get straight to this, I am solving another murder for the St. Lucia police. Me not try to embarrass them or anything. What I'm trying to do is be the voice for the unvoiced. And in this next case, I'm gonna show you how ruthless and how wicked this bottom feeder boy, Marvin, Baboon King. Yo, if you don't believe me, when you have a chance, Google the Monkey King and you'll see he looks just like that bottom feeder boy, yo. Now, before I talk about this, I want y'all to listen to this fucking clip, yo. I'm really disgusted by this motherfucker, yo.
My brother is just, he has COPD, can barely walk, speak, So like I said about him, that's all. Why would somebody, he's man is a harmless man, like he can't do anything, he can't do nothing at all.
The victim, an elderly man in his early 60s, identified as Wayne Ballhead Lovence, was gunned down in his own bed. Loved ones are appalled by the vile nature of the slaying, given the victim was stricken with illness, had limited mobility, and posed a threat to no one.
Now, y'all saw the news clipping, and Ballhead was killed in his house, and I know exactly what happened and how it happened. Now, you know what make this such a disgusting and sad bumbucky thing that pussy old Marvin, Monkey King, Baboon King? Why are you eliminating people like you're Jesus Christ? And then you expect everybody in your family and all your cousins them and everybody you know is supposed to live forever or happily ever after. Now I know the police is baffled by this case, so that's why I am helping them in this case. I am helping the police, and I want the St. Lucia police to know that me, Countryman, I'm an ally. I am not here to embarrass you. I am here to work with you and help you clean up some of these bottom feeders that has been killing off these people. I am still at a loss. I am flabbergasted at the hate and the bad mind in St. Lucia, and I am a Jamaican. Can you imagine that? Baboon King, see a recent picture there. You think I don't know what you look like in jail. You see him, sorry, him cut him ear and I try to change up him look. See what him look like right there in prison. You understand? Now, this man, Ballhead, the man lose him life for no reason at all. And believe it or not, the only reason him lose him life is because He lives where Marvin and a whole bunch of people hang out and live. And where they were, which I'm gonna tell you in a minute, he was taking care of the whole place, pretty much. You understand? And he was doing some fuckery. Look at that young lady right there. She is one of the notorious, she's sister to one of the most notorious guy. Let me do a close-up. This is Charlene. And that was the picture you see with she and her 3 kids. Now, where they live in a big tenement yard with different houses and a whole bunch of people was living there. Pretty much that was the hideout for the Monster Shack, the Monster Gang with Monkey King, Baboon King and him crew. Now, this man right here, he lived in the yard just like his brother said, and he was sick, he didn't bother anybody, he was pretty cool, but he was an old guy and he knows the streets, and he told Marvin, Monkey, Baboon King that, listen, a fuck Ronaldo going out robbing and killing people. You understand? Big idiot thing. And because Baldhead, Mr. Baldhead, complained to him about it, he got mad and decided that he was going to execute the man. Believe me, if people don't believe me, they can check. In that yard, there was Shem and his sister, which I showed. They lived upstairs. There was Kyle, him one of the notorious robber who went on the 3 murder thing, the triple murder. There was the couple other guys that would be there, and then the king was there. So that was a whole community of people in Oldham City or Bakatak, you know, and that's where they chill. So all Mr. Baldhead did was complain, and Marvin decided that he was gonna kill the man and shut him up, because obviously Marvin is a fucking paranoid schizophrenic. If he feels like, you know, you're gonna say something, remember I used the word feel, he's gonna make a decision on your life. So that night, okay, he came back, and when he came back, he dressed in all black. I think he had communicated maybe with a couple henchmen. My intel tell me Shem was there, Kyle was there, and maybe a couple other people, you understand? But this Baboon King, Jose, decides that he might go deal with it himself, to double check the scene and stuff like that, cause you know that's what they do. Put on all black, came in that man's house and assassinate him. Now, Shem's sister lives upstairs, and her daughter that I show in the picture You understand? Me now gonna show the young girl face again. Was out there and she saw him. You understand? And Marvin told her, don't say anything or else he's gonna kill her and her mother. Now what made this thing even crazier, okay? Shem, the one who killed the lady and the man in the triple murder, he also threatened his sister and his niece and tell them to shut their mouth. Everybody up there, all of the gangster, everybody in that yard knows what happened to Mr. Ballard, and it's so fuck up in a dog. Me I tell you know, if see Mr. Ballard brother come up there and the man a cry on blood clot camera in a dog, and them big stinking pussy you know. Even that girl there, you know. You understand? Mummy with the 3 kids use a bottom feeder, you know. Because you know say your brother out there. You understand? I do pure fuckery. And you entertain all of that. All man kill Ballad in front of people, you know, and people see. Because I'm quite sure if that little girl see other people see him do it brawling and nobody came and said shit about it. Let me show you that fucking clip again.
My brother is just, he has COPD, can barely walk, speak, you know. So like I said about him, that's all. Why would somebody, you know, man is a harmless man, like he can't do anything, he can't do nothing at all.
The victim, an elderly man in his early 60s, identified as Wayne Ballhead Lovence, was gunned down in his own bed. Loved ones are appalled by the vile nature of the slaying, given the victim was stricken with illness, had limited mobility, and posed a threat to no one.
It's like,
No, never get the police them. A bonus murder only can solve too. You understand? So instead of 1 or 2 me a go now. Look at this picture right here. That young lady right there, her name is Marvina. That's Baboon King baby mother. Them have a daughter named Kylie. And this pussy right here, so Baboon King, he killed this young lady, other baby father, cause he went to jail and she started talking to a younger guy, Johnny. And what he did, Marvin order and goons them dog. You understand? Him order Troy and Bigfoot and a boy we name Teeth, like teeth where you bite food with, and them program Johnny and them kill Johnny. Now, this young lady you see right here, she's in hiding. She have to run away from him because bottom feeder, Baboon King, sorry, him have him daughter and him family them a take care of the baby. You understand? The reason why him kill Johnny, the young youth, is because him feel like him is a big man and Johnny a fucking girl. You understand? And that's why him kill a youth there. So, right there, so, a 2 murder, me give the police force. And a easy thing for solve, cause I'm go on it. You understand? The youth, Johnny, him do it. And the girl, baby father, or other baby father, And him use Bigfoot, teeth, you understand? And Try. Now, you see, Try and Marvin, them are cousin. So me just show you how that thing they said. Yo, that thing they said like a ant's nest to blood clot. Hey, anybody drop down in a St. Lucia and wanna decide for hustle. Any man we are go St. Lucia right now and say wanna go hustle. A dead wanna go dead. Or wanna go St. Lucia and say wanna go do business and them thing there. A dead wanna go dead. Because remember me tell you, them set a man ya, once them know and the place short and the man them have big reach, your food are gonna yam. All of the people them from other place have to low key. If them a do nothing, you have to be a nobody. You understand? Yo, that boy here, you know, Marvin, Burnhead, you know say, him there jail and a 5 mattress the man a sleep on. For sure you how the man have the place away. You think nobody can say nothing to him? You understand? But me I warn you, you know, Marvin, you see you, if you know we're good for you, you better not go up on your phone and go make no call out a road and this and that. But who are link Countryman, you know? Because listen, you can't stop me or me I get my thing. And me I gonna make sure. Listen, you see my youth, and me I talk to Monkey King. You see, all you expect for go through life and I kill off people and I do all sort of fuckery, but you expect to go home, go fuck pussy, and have a good bumbuckler life, my youth, and always think say yo, you gonna get to with that, and think say yo, people are gonna take charge here. It no work so. You say for the Jamaica you there, you're dead already. Remember me tell you that pussy. Yeah, if you did there at Jamaica. Actually you there at St. Lucia, you don't go bother St. Lucia. You understand? And I terrorize the people them yo. So listen, police force, I'm not undermining y'all. Me give one of the tip them now and the lead, the 2 murder them. Solve Mr. Ballhead murder and solve Johnny murder. You understand? Because at the bottom feeder there, Baboon King, Marvin, Burnhead, Gabriel Dweet. Alright? Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. I'm out.
It's Countryman again. Just I lick you with some wisdom, and I lick you with some knowledge you gotta take inside your brain. It's the son, I've learned a lot out of reading people faces. No matter how them a go on like them original, them fake. You gotta know when to walk and know when to run and know when to fall and know when to stand.